If you look into the inverse trend since 1991 up to 2025, hi everyone, welcome to another episode of my podcast. And today we're going to dive into a hot topic right now, the US dollar. Is recent weakness, is it a crisis or an opportunity? If you're an investor or just curious about how the global markets will impact your portfolio, this episode will help you to understand what is happening and how you could benefit from it. So let's start with the fact. In the year 2024, last year, US dollar was doing amazingly well, as you can see from this chart here. And the equity fund, which focus on the US, is doing amazingly well last year too. Well, that was the past. How about this year? How about year 2025? This year, US dollar declined sharply in the first half, with the dollar index falling around 11%. It's the worst start of a year since 1973. This marked the end of the 15 years bull cycle. And the reason? Tariff-related uncertainty, slower US growth projection, and the expectation of the Fed rate cut down. So historically, whenever the US dollar are weakened, emerging markets benefit. A softer dollar often leads to increased capital flow into emerging economy, stronger local currencies, better performance in equity markets. If you look into the inverse trend between the USD index and the MSCI Emerging Market Index since 1991 up to 2025, the pattern is clear. Opportunity often follow USD weakness. So what you should do as an investor. This could be a great time to rebalance your portfolio, explore emerging market funds, hedge against the currency risk. But always remember, strategy matters. Not all emerging markets are equal, and not all funds perform the same. I've created a free document summarizing 3 key insights about emerging markets and how to position your investment in this environment. If you would like a copy, just DM me emerging markets below and I will send it over to you. So thanks for tuning in into today's episode. If you found this helpful, please follow, like, and share, and leave any comment if you have any questions. I'll be sharing more markets insights and strategy in upcoming episodes. So stay connected. So until next time, this is Louis Lu, helping you to turn uncertainty into opportunity.